Hi guys, I'm the British Jub 2 Man, and today I got another video for you. Now, I'm back from holiday, and I saw this in an antique shop, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta get it, if the price is right, because I don't have a lot of money at the moment. Anyway, so, yep. Now, some of you are probably gonna go, why do you get it? It's broken. But I'll turn it over, you'll see that this is what I believe to be an original Victorian British belt buckle. Because from what I could gather is that crown was a style of crown that was used in Victorian times. It's also incredibly worn, which would suggest that it's almost certainly not only 50 years old. So yeah, here I believe is what's happened is someone's pulled the belt like that, and eventually after time it's worn and worn and worn until it's got to there, and it's just broken through. So yep, it's got a funny little stamp there. Don't know if that's a broad arrow or not. Might not be. Anyway, from what I can tell, there isn't any stampings on it. Wait, there could be something there. If you see something around here. Anyway, so here's the other part. There's the back. I'm not sure if that's just a dent or that's a maker's mark, I'm not sure. But anyway, yep, there's those two pieces. Now, so there it is. Now, here's the price tag that I got, that came with it. It says it was £12, but I haggled and got it for £8 because we said, oh, it's broken. And so we got it for £8, which I think is very, very good. So, yep, that's basically it. I didn't really get any souvenirs as such from this apart from really a little catapult. Anyway, very strong as well. I'll put it into a can. See here. It's hard to show you guys. This is from one stone. Anyway, so yeah, that's basically it. Oh, and I did get one other thing from Italy as well, which is this. This is a Viking style pouch. And basically what you do is you open it up like that, and it's got a string here. You basically do that, and you get a whole lot of room that you can use for storing stuff like money or whatever in. So yep, it's a pretty awesome pouch, I think. And here's the loop for it to go onto the belt, and then you put it on this here like that, and it gets rid of all of the excess stuff. So that is it. This cost me €17, but in pounds that's about £12, which I think for a medieval pouch that's pretty good. Still reasonably expensive, but really good, I'd say. So yep, that's basically it. Give me your opinion on the belt buckle, guys out there, because that'd be really good. So yep, here's my belt buckle I got for £8, which I believe to be original Victorian one. And so yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. If you know any info on it, know where to find the company maker marks, please tell me. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.